Hello, welcome to Robbie Lounge. I stay at EARTHMANS Osaka-Jo today. I'll take you a tour of this hotel's room. It's very convenient. It's very cozy room today. Yes, let's get inside. Ta-da! This is today's room. Actually, when you reserve this hotel, you'll get an email from this hotel and you can check in by yourself. Yeah, you get a number of the entrance, so you get a key from the box and you can get inside by yourself. It's very convenient, and actually right now it's morning and they serve the breakfast. I didn't know that. Okay, let's start this room tour. Okay, let's begin from the entrance. At the entrance there is a shoes box here and slippers, and then you have two doors. On the left side, it's empty space, but it should be the washing machine here. Right side, there is a toilet. It's very clean. Next to the toilet, there is a bathtub. Yeah, it's very nice. And also, of course, you have a hair dryer. This is hair dryer and hand soap and towels. Good. Next, on the other side of bathroom, there is a mini kitchen here. This is IH cooking heater. So they serve That's nice. Above the kitchen there are many plates and bowls and chopsticks and forks, knives and so on over there. Great! And there's a kitchen. They serve a knife and yeah, pot. Good. And also there are fridge, microwave, pot. Good. And then next, this is today's room. Yeah, amazing. Because this room has a bed on the middle second floor. This is loft room. Loft room, nice. You can get to the second floor. Cool. Yeah. It looks like double bed. It's for two persons. I don't know. Over there is a air conditioner, and this is a cool lamp. Nice. At the corner of this room, there is a very nice couch. Wow, very comfortable. Yeah, it's very soft. Good. And TV here. You can watch Japanese TV programs. Nice. And I sit here. But now this is not sofa, but it works as a sofa. It actually is bed for third person. I don't know. And also this room has a balcony, veranda. You can get outside from this window. Cool. And they serve, actually they serve 3 mugs. One of them is used by me. On the desk there is a mirror, and the mug I used a kind of tree. And lamp and tissues. Tissue was here. That's it. Wow. This is closet. That's it. There is a vacuum. So if you stay here for a long, it will be convenient for you. That's it. So thank you for watching until the end. See you next time. Bye.